Hello my alien students, welcome back. So today we're going to learn, actually this is going to be a two-part series. Okay. Actually today when I was taking one of my classes, one of my alien students told, John, I'd like to learn Primavera, I would like to learn MS project. Okay. So what came into my mind was, something like this. Okay. Be it human or be it alien, John, I need medicine, isn't it? Thank God John can give medicine for be it human or be it alien. Okay, so today what I'm going to do is we're going to have a small project. Okay, we're going to do a project in Primavera and in Microsoft project. Okay, so let's consider this is part 1. Okay, part 1. So in part 1 I'll be teaching you in Primavera. Okay, that is P6. Short is Primavera P6. Okay, this is part 1 of the story. So in part 2 of the story I'll be teaching the same thing in what? MS project, Microsoft project. Okay, so we are now in what is this? Primavera P6, isn't it? So welcome back everybody, and let's start the class. Okay, so what we learn today? Today we will have one thing called as a real life example. A real life example. Okay, that means what? Let us consider we're doing one small project. Let's say we're doing a small villa. Okay, this is called a house project. Okay. Okay. So in each house, okay, let's consider we're doing this. I think my students will know this, isn't it? This is my house. Okay. So this is the house building, let's say. This is the swimming pool, isn't it? So let's assume that this is my house project. Okay, so in my house, let's say there are 4 floors. So first floor, second floor, third floor, and now instead of fourth FTH floor, fourth floor. So there's no confusion between this and this, isn't it? And in each floor we have different sections. Let's say MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. Similarly, isn't it? So we can say mechanical for the first floor, electrical for the first floor, isn't it? Plumbing for the first floor. So today what we'll do, we'll do something like this. So can I call this work breakdown structure, isn't it? So what we will do today, in Primavera and in what is this called, Microsoft project, we will do this story. We will follow this. Okay, so we will first start making a project called my house project, or okay, alien house project, let's say, isn't it? Okay, in the alien's house there is a first floor. Okay, then the second floor, third floor, fourth floor. Okay, can we call this level 1? This is level 2, hierarchy. Okay, this is clear. So we will be doing this today. Okay, so we are now in part 1. John, we are in part 1, Primavera P6. Okay, so let me just hide my alien stuff and we start working, isn't it? Okay, so we have opened Primavera P6. Okay, now what we will do, first thing is go to enterprise. Okay, there what you will do, click projects. Okay, if you notice that we had done this last class, I think in part 5 or part 6 of my course I have done this. Okay, for time being I just delete this. Okay, why I'm deleting it? Because we will do it from scratch. Any comments? Click delete. Yes, he said, do you want to delete? Yes. Okay, so we will start from scratch now. Okay, so first thing, go to enterprise tab, enterprise project structure, click that. Go down and let's say under alien company, or let's say delete this. We will start from scratch, isn't it? Click this, click add, isn't it? And we said we wanted a code, let's say alien, what is this? Alien code AC1, and the name of the company is alien company, isn't it? Okay, this is done. What do we say? Just click somewhere else and say okay, this is good. We say close. Double check, go to enterprise, you will see your friend alien company. So this is good. Now what we will do, go to enterprise, click projects. Okay, this will open, isn't it? Now what we will do, we will have to what was the story? Our story was, okay, this is the alien house, isn't it? Now we have to create a project, isn't it? Then we have to add first floor, second floor, third floor and fourth floor. How do you do it? Hide it. Okay, go to enterprise, projects, and this appeared. Okay, then what you do, right click, click open projects. 1 minute. Sorry, click this new projects. Okay, select this and click new project. Okay, he asks you under what category, under which company do you want? You want it to be under alien company. So go down and click alien company. Okay, says total activities, nothing. Nothing, you just started now, isn't it? Type, click this, you will see it here, and click next. What is the name of your project? We said alien house project, isn't it? Isn't it? I think this looks good. So click next, and let's say you want to start today. Okay, we can start today, isn't it? And say next, and say finish. So now what has happened is, okay, you have created a alien house project. So we have finished this part, isn't it? So what we do now, we have finished what? John, we finished this. Excellent. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add this, isn't it? First floor, second floor, third floor and fourth floor. So what is the best practices? Go, can you see this purple thing here? Can you see this purple thing? Click this purple. Okay, it's called the WBS. He comes to this. Okay, now what we do, we have to add what? Activities, isn't it? Let's say the level 1 activities. So come here and click this positive sign, this plus add. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now what is this? What we will do is we will just keep them all towards the left, isn't it? Because they are all in one level of hierarchy: first floor, second floor, third floor and fourth floor. Good. So what I will do is click this, and down here click the left arrow. So both of them are on the same page again, and say like this. This also towards the right, isn't it? This also towards the right, and this one towards the right. So all of them at one level. So is this any comments here, isn't it? If you want, because we will be renaming them. So what we'll do now, we need the WBS. What we said, first floor, FF. Okay, we said second floor. Okay, third floor, and then for the fourth floor, what is said, fourth floor, FTH, FTF. Okay, I hope this much is clear. So what we have finished now, we finished level 1 activities: first floor, second floor, third floor and fourth floor. This is done now, isn't it? This is what is in here. Okay, now what we will do, you just close this X mark. Okay, let me just undo this, and okay, close this X. So something like this, our project looks something like this, isn't it? Okay, now we need to see the activities under this, isn't it? So click projects, this is here, isn't it? Right click, open the project. See, now you can see first floor, second floor, third floor. This is the ID number, isn't it? Okay, under this project one, okay, first floor. Now what we need to do, under this we need to add sub activities. I would say activities under that, isn't it? How do we add activities in Primavera? Same story. Click, okay, add this positive sign. He says, John, do you want to add any activity below that? Let me just cancel this for a second. Okay, click this because we want to add under first floor, isn't it? Add plus sign. Okay, what is your activity A1? Okay, we can rename it. What is it called? Let's say mechanical MEC for first floor, or let's say first floor mechanical, isn't it? Say next. You like to be under that? Yes. Let's say finish. Okay, this is created. Similarly, click this, add, isn't it? So first floor is electrical. finished. Again click, right, okay, what we said, first floor, plumbing. I hope this much is clear. Okay, so now what we have done, we have added activities under first floor. So similarly you can add for first, second floor, third floor and fourth floor, isn't it? Okay, now what we will do, I hope this much is clear. Original duration, everything. Okay, now same thing I will do it in what, Primavera. Okay, so today is, you see this schedule is been created here, isn't it? Let me just unzoom this, see, isn't it? Okay, electrical, plumbing, and isn't it? If you want you can put it up. Okay, anyway, so I hope this much is clear what we learned. So same thing I will do it in what, Microsoft project. Okay, we finish this, we finish this, we finish this. Okay, so in the next class what we will do is we will start linking them. Okay, actually we will add the duration for them. Okay, start date, finish date, and then we keep moving forward. Okay, take care. I hope everybody enjoyed this class. Let's see you in the part 2 of the class. Okay, bye.